Step right up to the Pig International. Hey, that's a good idea. How about you can put down the ball thingy? What are you playing?
Hello, my name is Ball Thingy. I want to play.
What's this? I want to play with you.
I know he.
So I want to play.
My eye. Ow.
Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, I must still rescue in my eye. Hey, I must save him. What happened?
My eye's hurting. Oh no! My eye's hurting.
That will be alright, Dog Finny. My eye's hurting you. Yes. Could you get a customer?
It's okay because I hurt my eye and hit mine in the carnival. Well, I bang it, you little silly goose.
Hello, I'm Thingy. You will be my birdie?
Chicky Duck.
What, you want to make milk? Want to make milk? Oh, yeah, we can make milk with my friends. Yeah, Wilson. Yay.
Good job being a star. Great job.
Thanks for playing.